Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and you've had a great weekend. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different with kind of like a ribbon swirl technique. I don't even know if it's an official technique, but this is what I'm calling it. Here I'm laying down the base paint on a round MDF board. This piece will eventually turn into a clock once it's finished. The colors that I'm using today will appear at the bottom of your screen, but I just wanted to give a quick mention to the Deco Art Rich Espresso that you will see later on. This color is just amazing. It does really creates this shimmery effect, and when you apply it on some of the colors, it creates these beautiful cells on top of a painting. I'm really addicted to that color, and it's becoming one of my go-to paints for most of my painting now. With a popsicle sticks, I swirl the paint around to create the ribbon, and then I give a piece a quick spin. I'm pouring some extra paint on the edges of the painting so that when I spin the piece around, the paint slides off quite easily and doesn't roll onto itself. Now I should let you know that with this technique, sometimes you will end up with something really amazing, and other times it's something that you don't really like and you will end up scraping it. You will see me scraping a piece quite a few times in a video that I'll be posting next Monday. When I'm scraping a piece, I don't throw away that paint because I think it's just a waste. I would typically reuse it on the same painting, or I would keep it in a container so that I can use it later on for when I'm trying to experiment with something else. Once the piece is dried, I will apply a coat or two of resin on the piece and then turn it into a clock. If you're interested in seeing the finished product, I will be posting a few pictures on my Instagram and Facebook pages when they become available. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would really appreciate this. I would also love to hear your comments or feedback on this piece, so please leave me a note in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. See ya!